Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. Today, we have a true icon of luxury and elegance to showcase, the highly anticipated 2023 Rolls Royce Phantom. Prepare to be amazed as we take you on a journey through the epitome of automotive excellence. Before we dive into the extraordinary features of the 2023 Phantom, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer beauty and presence this vehicle commands. It's not just a car, it's a statement of opulence, handcrafted to perfection. The exterior design of the 2023 Phantom is a blend of timeless elegance and contemporary sophistication. The iconic Pantheon grille, the sleek and flowing lines, and the signature Spirit of Ecstasy ornament exude an aura of grandeur that is instantly recognizable. Step inside, and you'll enter a realm of unparalleled luxury and comfort. The interior of the 2023 Phantom is a testament to the craftsmanship and attention to detail that Rolls Royce is renowned for. Sumptuous leather, exquisite woodwork, and hand-finished metal accents envelop you in a world of refined taste. Let's talk about the technology that elevates the driving experience in the 2023 Phantom. With its advanced infotainment system, customizable digital displays, and the latest connectivity features, you have everything at your fingertips to enhance your journey. One of the hallmarks of Rolls-Royce is the ability to personalize your Phantom to your exact specifications. From bespoke interior trims and colors to custom-made accessories, the 2023 Phantom offers a limitless range of options to create a truly unique and tailored masterpiece. Under the hood, the 2023 Phantom boasts a refined and powerful engine that effortlessly propels this majestic vehicle. The advanced suspension system glides over the road, providing an incredibly smooth and quiet ride. It's a driving experience like no other. But the true essence of the Rolls-Royce Phantom goes beyond its engineering marvels. It's about the feeling it evokes, the sense of arrival, the embrace of luxury, and the ultimate expression of success. With the 2023 Phantom, you are transported to a realm of unparalleled refinement. That concludes our captivating journey through the 2023 Rolls Royce Phantom. It represents the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship, where luxury and performance harmoniously blend. If you desire the absolute best, the Phantom awaits you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more exclusive content. Thank you for watching, and until next time.